program example. Microprogram example. The process of code generation for control memory. Generation of control memory is called microprogram. Block diagram of the computer configuration is shown in below figure. Two memory units. Main memory stores normal instructions and data. That means this is the main memory. Control memory means stores microprogram. Inside microprogram, micro instructions are there. 4 processor registers are there. That means program counter PC, address register AR, data register DR, accumulator register AC. These are the processor registers. 2 control unit registers. Control address register, subroutine register. That means this is the processor register means CPU registers. This is the CPU registers. This means control unit registers means CR registers. This one. This is the CR register and SBR register. These two are the this control registers. Transfer of information among registers in processor is through multiplexers rather than a bus. Here microprogram example. In this case, how we are going to executing arithmetic logical unit. The final aim is to how to execute arithmetic logical unit execution. We are going to see this one. Next one. Arithmetic logical unit, it needs 2 inputs here, this one and this one. So it needs 2 inputs. One is sometimes it receives from data register. Another one is that input is received from accumulator. Data register and accumulator. With the help of data register and accumulator, the arithmetic logical unit will process the information. Sometimes it will process some shifting operations also, right? Depends upon the for calculation purpose how data register will reads the information. Here multiplexer is there. Multiplexer is select any one of the sources from available of the registers and memory locations. Multiplexer 3 inputs is there here in this case. So this input is controlled another multiplexer. That means whatever the PC value is there, that PC value is controlled this multiplexer, and also it will control the multiplexer. Same here, first multiplexer is controls selects any one of the input from given information. This information sometimes is taken from the address register also, data register also. Data register, and the data register value will sends to the control address register. Multiplexer is selects one address, any one of this one. This address is sends to address register. Depends upon our control logic. Or initially, if it is a program counter, initially the address is points like this. This address is transferred to address register. Address register is points to the one location in the memory. That location data is transferred to this multiplexer. Or sometimes accumulator output is connected to this one. So either PC value or location value or accumulator value. That means any information, this one. With the help of multiplexer, we are reading data registers like this. Next, coming to this AC. So AC will provides the input information to the arithmetic logical units. This data register sometimes with the help of this memory inside some instruction register codes is there. Instruction code is there. That instruction code has some address is there. That address information passes through this multiplexer. If it is reads, that data register is sent to the address sequencer into the control address register. This control address register is selects one location in the control memory. With the help of that address, we are going to selecting one location in the control memory. It reads that control micro instruction. With the help of that micro instruction, we are generating micro operations. With the help of micro operation, we are going to generating different control signals. With the help of those control signals, we are executing this arithmetic logical shift unit. So if the any process is changing like this, automatically different condition, this subroutine register is also updated. This is a very easy process. This is the way we are going to modify all the blocks in this microprogrammed example, right? Microprogram control. So SBR and CR, two registers are there. So any register which represents in rectangular boxes itself, that means subroutine register and control address register. So with the help of this block diagram, we are going to generate some address to generation of the micro instruction or micro operations to control the arithmetic logical unit blocks. Depends upon different control signals, automatically this register blocks and memory instructions also modified. Right after execution, this result is again transferred to the AC accumulator, because AC is the processor register. Okay, let us see one by one how this process will performed by using the general computer. Initially, computer instruction format as shown in figure. This is very, very important. All fields are there, very easy understanding. Every field which represents a different instructions process is there, up to design control unit. So first one, control instruction format. Computer instruction format is shown in figure below. Instruction format, that means 0 to 15, that means total 16 bit length. 16 bit length. Actually, this is a computer instruction, but in this case, instruction format of the 16 bit, in this case we are going to observe here 0 to 10 bits is considered as an address field, and 11, 12, 13, 14 is considered as a opcode mapping purpose. Previously we have seen mapping bits, so where the mapping is there, that means this one, these 4 bits. For opcode, from the opcode we are receiving 4 binary bits are needed. Those binary bits are represented like this, that means 11, 12, 13, 14 bits, opcode purpose 0 to 10. So next, 3 fields for instruction is 1 bit for indirect address, 4 bit opcode, this one. I field, if it is 0, direct address, if it is 1, that means indirect address. So here 4 bit opcode and 11 bit address field, 0 to 10, that means a total 11 bits. The example will only consider the following 4 of the possible 16 memory instructions. Following 4 of the possible 16 memory instructions. So here symbol ADD. ADD means opcode is like this, 4 zeros. What are the operations generally it will performs? Addition operation means one input is taken from the accumulator, another input is taken from the memory operand. Memory M is nothing but a memory bracket which indicates memory pointer. So inside register is there, that register or address is there, that address is simply called effective address. From the effective address, with the help of this effective address, we are going to pointing one location in the memory. From that location, some byte of, that means operand is available. That operand data is calculated with the accumulator. After calculation, that means after addition, the result is generated. That generated result will stored into the accumulator. Here the arrow which indicates the direction of data flow. Right, branching. If accumulator is less than 0, that means it depends on the condition, then effective address is stored into the PC. That means program counter. Store, with the help of this opcode, the accumulator is stored into the inside location where effective address is pointed in the memory. That location will holds this accumulator data. Exchange. This opcode, with the help of this opcode, we are going to perform this. Exchange means here 2 cases. Accumulator data is stored into the memory, and memory data is stored into the accumulator. Accumulator data is stored into the memory. Both locations, this means register, this is the memory location. Memory location to register or memory to register. Here register to memory. Both are exchange operation will performed. Where EA means effective address. which EA indicates effective address. The micro instruction format. What is meant by micro instruction? Where it is identified? Micro instruction nothing but this is available from the micro program. Where micro program is available means inside the control memory. Where control memory is located means control unit. Micro instruction format for the control memory is shown in figure below. This is very important because we are going to observe remaining fields all are based on this instruction. Micro instruction format. This is also very important question also. Draw and explain the micro instruction format of the control memory. So the total this micro instruction format is like this. That means first three fields, field 1, field 2, field 3, equal size, 3 bits, total 9 bits is considered as a field representation, micro operation fields, and 2 bits is allocated for condition, and 2 bits is allocated for, that means branch field, and 7 bits is allocated for address field. Because every time we are generating from the mapping purpose 7-bit micro instruction address is 7-bit code. So that here also address is 7 bits, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 9, total 20-bit format. This is the 20-bit format, very important point. 20-bit. What is meant by bit? It is a binary variable, either logic 0 or logic 1. Next one, see here full forms here. F1, F2, F3 is the micro operation fields, and CD means condition for branching, BR means branch field, AD means address field. Micro instruction code format, so the total length is 20 bits. Micro instruction format is composed of 20 bits with 4 part set. Okay, this is the representation above field, 2 bits, 7 bits, 3 bits each, F3 to F3 like this. Here, okay, coming to this 3 fields, how many F1? F1 means 3 binary values is allocated. 3 binary values like this, 000 to 111, 00, 001, and so on like this. F1 same as it is F2, and coming to the F3 also. Right, what are the action we are going to generate in micro operation? Previously we have seen from the micro instruction we are going to generating micro operation. What is the micro operation is generated? So how the action we are going to observe here? What are the actions we are going to observe from the field 1? If F1 is carries 000, 000, 000 in every case, F2 case, F3 case, 000, no operation, NOP micro operation will executed. In this case NOP, in this case NOP. So coming to this one, if it is carries 001, here add micro operation will generated. With the help of add micro operation, the ALU will calculate the addition operation. How ALU will calculate the add micro operation? Add operation, that means accumulator data and data register data. With the help of these two, we are going to calculating addition operation. That result is stored into the accumulator. Coming to the 010, so operation symbol is clear. CLR means clear accumulator. So whatever the data inside AC, that AC is holds all logic values zeros. If it is a size, whatever the size of accumulator, that accumulator register completely it will holds all logic zeros. Next one, 011, that means increment AC. Increment AC means already AC inside some data is there, that operand value is there, that operand is added with one more binary value 1, and this 1 is added with AC. After addition, the result is stored into the again accumulator. Next 100. Next here T middle indicates the value, T letter indicates transfer. That means DR register value DR to AC, the transfer, DR register transfer to AC, DR to AC. The representation is like this, 101 DR to AR, like this. Where DR register is found, DR of, that means DR data register 0 to 10 address register. because address register size is here 11 bits, because instruction format address is here address is 0 to 10 bits. So that we are going to observe here data register of that 0 to 10 values is transferred to AR. PC to AR, program counter to address register. Write in the sense, write cycle is executed, that means my write micro operation is executed. Write in the sense the data register value is written right inside the memory location. Where memory location is pointed, address register is pointed one location, that location will holds a data register operand. So coming to the F2 field, same as it is 0, 0 to 1, 1, we are going to generating different micro operations. NOP, subtraction. Subtraction means accumulator is subtracted data register value. R, this is the R operator. Accumulator is R with data register. So result is stored into the accumulator. Next, AND operation. This is the AND operator. Accumulator is ended with the data register. Both values are ended after AND operation is performed. Result is stored into accumulator. Read operation. Read means memory to data register. Previously, write operation data register to memory location. In this case, read means memory to data register. So AC to DR. Next one, next increment to data register. Data register is incremented by 1, result is stored into data register. PC to data register. PC value is stored in data register 0, 1, 0. Previously data register 0 to 10 stored into the AR. In this case PC to data DR means address. So that address case we are going to identify 0 to 11 bits. So 0 to 10, that means 11 bits. Coming to the F3 case, micro operation symbol. So 0, 0 to 111, same as it is. NOP, XR, that means XR operation. XR symbol is there. After XR operation is performed, the result is shown in AC. This complement, accumulator is complemented. 0 is goes to 1, 1 is goes to 0. Complemented binary value will stored into the accumulator. Shift left operation is performed on the accumulator. That means register is there. Left means this is a left shift like this. Inside binary values are there, depends upon that register size. So this bit is placed into this position to this position, this position to this position, like this. This bit is placed into this bit. Last bit is transferred to this point, this position. So in the shift left operation, after shifting, the register value is there. That register binary sequence will store into the accumulator. Shift right, this arrow is reverse like this. Now previously left means it is shifted by one position every time. Right shift in the sense the arrow is reverse. That means this is the way we are going to shifting. This is the right and this is the left. Next, increment PC. PC is incremented by stored into PC. Next, AR to PC. That means address register is transferred to PC. 111 is reserved purpose. Next one, 5 letters to specify the transfer type of the micro operation. 5 letters means if the 5 letters means, for example, AR to PC. That means T indicates transfer. Same here. Third is the T. Transfer indicates like this. So it's just it will display small example here. Okay, condition field CD is 2 bits to specify the 4 status bits conditions shown below. So CD field, where CD field is there, so this means CD field, this is the 2 binary values which allocates. So CD 00 101 1011. So condition, always this is equal to 1. Data register accumulator AC. U that means ISZ. Where these values we are going to finding, actually previously we have seen small block diagram. This one ISZ1, this multiplexer I1 ISZ, these fields. This one always it is indicated 1. So always used for the, that means symbol is unconditional branch. Unconditional without checking any condition, these status bits automatically that pointer is points. Data register of 15th bit, that nothing but a 16th binary value is used for I. I means that means I is equal to 0, that is direct address. I equal to 1 indirect address. So if data register 15th bit equal to 1, that indicates indirect address bit. accumulator 15th bit means 16th bit, that indicates status, that is sorry sign bit of accumulator. If it is 0, positive; if it is 1, equal to negative bit. Accumulator equal to 0, if complete goes to 0, that 0 flag is set, that means 0 value in accumulator. Accumulator is 0, that indicates 0 symbol. Next, coming to the BR, consists of 2 bits, same as it is 00, 01, 10, 11. So branch field, branch means we are using jump call return. So cursor automatically jumps to the specified location. It will start the execution from those from that instruction. Call in the sense same as it is. It will send. It jumps. It calls to the specified address. It starts the execution from that instruction with the help of return instruction. The cursor goes back to the where the call instruction is executed. The next instruction goes to the with the help of return address. Mapping 1 here jump in the sense address information completely transferred to CR register if condition equal to 1. Condition is satisfied, address information transferred to control address register. So next one, automatically control address register is incremented by 1 if condition equal to 0, that value is transferred to CAR. Call instruction, in this case 2 actions will performed, that means address register stored into the CAR, that means CAR plus 1 will stored into the subroutine register if condition is equal to 1. If control address register plus 1 if condition equal to 0. Return subroutine register address will stored into the control address register. So mapping process, mapping means here previously this one, listen, control address register 225, data register 11, 12, 13, 14, 4 bits is mapping purpose is compared with 2 to 5 bits. Here 0 is filled with least significant 2 digits and last digit. So here mapping procedure is there. This one, least significant 0, 1 bit is completely filled with zeros, and last 6th bit is indicated 0. Next this one 11, 12, 13, 14 bits is same as it is stored into the that means 2 to 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1 same as it is this one, and this means 2, 3, 4, 5 here, and last 6th bit is indicated 0. Like this, data register of 11, 12, 13, 14, 4 bits, 2 to 5 filled, and control address register is filled with all zeros, 0, 1, 6. Each line of assembly language program defines a symbolic microinstruction and divided into 5 parts. Okay, these are the actions we are going to individually. Next one, fetch routine. Fetch routine means previously we have seen all these instructions in the previous videos. The control memory has 128 location, each one is 20 bits. 128 means 2 power 7 equal to, because control memory has 128 location, because here address information equal to 7 bits. 7 bit address value is there, so that here 128 location, each location size is 20 bit, because every location almost it will stores 1 micro instruction. First 64 locations are occupied by the routines for the 16 instructions, address of 0 to 63. Can start the fetch routine at address 64. Fetch routine is requires following 3 micro instruction, location 64 to 66. The micro instruction needed for the fetch routine are AR, PC is transferred to AR. First one, memory of address register transferred to DR, and PC is incremented. This is the mapping procedure. Control register is like this. Mapping procedure means this one. Control register 2.2, 3, 4, 5. Here control address register 0, 1 and 6. 1 and 6 like this. And address values 0 to 11 instruction register value is completely stored in address register. Symbolic micro program. This is the example micro program. So it starts from origin 64th, and fetch it is represented as a, that means fetch is nothing but a address, branch address. A branch address always which represents in a colon. That means PC to AR. This action will performed PC to AR, that means program counter register data is transferred to address register, automatically next address is incremented, it jumps to the next location. Read action is performed and increment PC. That means PC to AR. Here PC is transferred to AR. Right? That means direction of arrow, which represents direction of data flow. That means transfer PC to AR. So after completion of this one, the next action will be incremented. That means address is incremented. That memory of address data location operand you will store into the data register. Next PC is incremented. So INC PC is incremented. Next third one, data transferred to AR. That means data register completely it is transferred to data register of 0 to 10 binary values, data register of 11 to 14 bits. Here 0 bit. So data register to complete transfer to AR. It means mapping. So simply it is called mapping. So next binary addresses F1, F2, F3 condition field and branching field address field. For example, here address, assume here branch fetch address is 1 all zeros. F1, what is the action? Above 3 instructions. See here, first one PC is transferred to AR. That means PC is transferred to AR. So here F1 value equal to 110, remaining F2, F3 field. F1 field, F2 field, F3 field. This 3 bits, 3 bits, 3 bits, 2 bits, 2 bits, 7 bits. So where instruction is there, that means this is this one, F1, F2, F3, C bit, BR field, AD bit. So here F1 field bits are 110. What are the action? PC to AR we are going to identify. So PC to AR. This one AR to PC means AR to PC. So 110 field 1. Right, this one 110 PC to AR. That means PC to AR. So binary values indicates 110. So that there is no another PC to AR. Check this PC to AR, PC to DR here. Here there is another micro operation. So that it indicates 110. Remaining fields are disabled. That means 000, 000 like this. That means CD action PC to AR. That means PC to AR. So branch field, condition field, no action because this is used for the status conditions and this is used for the branching field. So CD branching not involved to carrying any binary values. So that this is the 0000. So address is for next address means PC to AR, next address means next address here. So that next address, if it is a 1 all zeros, that means one next address is automatically incremented by 1, it will be stored like this. Next one, F1 equal to 0. Next action is read and INC PC. Read INC PC, two actions will performed in this case. That means F2 is 100 and F3 is 101. Check one, F2 equal to 10 because F1 there is no action here, so the disabled binary values are there. F2 is 100. So F2 100, that means read operation. Coming to the next one, that means 101 F3. 101 F3, that means increment PC. See here, increment PC. So these binary values are updated. So there is no involvement of the condition, status bits and branching here. So next, if the address is like this, automatically next address is incremented with the help of this next address is incremented 1 all zeros 10. So with the help of this location, again cursor goes to this location F1 101, remaining two fields are 0. That means DR to AR and updated branch field. So mapping is there, mapping DR to AR. That means F1 101, F1 field 101 DR to AR. Coming to the branch field 11. So here branch field 11 mapping. So here mapping is used so that we are updating these 2 bits. Again cursor goes to up to after condition of this one. So there is a next action here. So again it will goes to all logic zeros. So this is the way we are going to executing micro operations, different micro operations. Automatically, if micro operation is generated, automatically these are the binary values are modified for each instruction. This is the micro instruction format, F1 to AD field. Address is generated like this. With the help of that address, we are going to points one location, executed the particular action.